All right, so folks, this is a video to try to help you out with getting Autodesk Fusion 360 on your computer. We have been having some issues today. I figured that could be a problem when I did the video, but I think I probably might have a workaround for you folks. As long as you went ahead and create an account, we should be able to do it this way. So I'm in Chrome. I don't think that's necessary. You have to be in Chrome, but this is what's working for me, so I'm just going to tell you everything that I'm doing. Once in Chrome, I'm going to launch A360. All right. That's all I'm going to type in, then hit enter. And then you see this first one here that says A360 Home. Go ahead and click that. Okay. Go ahead and click sign in. So once I go to sign in, it's going to have my email address if it doesn't have yours yet, and you have created an account. Go ahead and do that. Then go ahead and obviously put in your password. I'm obviously having mine saved so it remembers. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Then what I am going to do is I am going to click create project. All right, and you can give it a project name like practice. All right, create that. And then, and this is basically just going through the web browser, then I can actually go new and do a Fusion design this way. All right, so go ahead and click new and then Fusion design. And this might take a minute for it to open here. Obviously, the internet's running slow with so many people on. And then as you can see, this will take us into our Fusion screen, which is still pulling up. All right, so that should hopefully work. I'd like for some of you guys to try that, see if this works. If it does, then we can actually get in there, start sketching and doing things that we want to do, okay? So give that a shot. If it doesn't work, let me know, and we'll go from there.